So I would say read more widely, more deeply, not just the headline, but the whole story. And technology will help to expand that vision across the world.
On November 14th, GCIT welcomed global communications scholar Professor Daya Thussu for a thought-provoking lecture on how AI and shifting geopolitics are reshaping the world's information landscape. He highlighted the rise of the Global South, the expansion of BRICS, and the growing influence of data and platform power, reminding us that global communication today is defined by both technological competition and deeper value-based tensions. Professor Thussu emphasized that understanding international media now requires critical thinking, cultural awareness, and an openness to new global perspectives. Read widely, think deeply, and look beyond headlines, he urged students, stressing that true insight comes from meaningful engagement with ideas. After the talk, Professor Thussu visited GCIT's virtual production studio, where he saw how the program integrates creativity, technology, and hands-on learning. Zona, a 2023 fall student, also shared her GCIT journey from practical media creation to cross-cultural research, which showcased how students grow through both theory and professional experience. Impressed by the dynamic environment, Professor Thussu praised GCIT students for their originality and global potential. The event underscored GCIT's mission to cultivate future communication leaders who can navigate complexity, embrace innovation, and engage the world with curiosity and vision.